Hey, what's going on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to be going over a program called Webtalk. Alright, now I've been in this program a little over a couple months, but I haven't really been promoting it, but I recently started to promote it more, and I'll tell you why. Alright, now this program has a cash rewards program, and what they're going to do starting in March, they're going to give you $5 for every um, customer or referral that you bring in that signs up to the rewards program, and that's completely free of charge to join. All right, so every time you sign up yourself, you earn $5 as well to the rewards program. All right, and then just to reiterate, once you get someone in to not only create their account but sign up to the rewards program, you earn $5 as well. And you do qualify for the 5 level bonus if you decide to upgrade to Pro before the first million come into the program and sign up for Pro as well. All right, now let me show you what's possible with this program. All right, so we're going to go to where it says, well, first you got to get qualified. All right, and as you can see, I'm already qualified. You have to complete your profile. All right, you have to do the rewards enrollment, and you have to link your payment account. All right, now, so what we're going to do is we're going to go all the way down to our calculator, and I'll let you know what's all possible with this program. Right, so it says how many engagement points will you earn per month, and this is average, and this is easy. I do this every day. Okay, so put 3100, and the average here for how many influencer points, let's just lowball it and put 5,000. Right, and it says here that it's just $1, but here's what happens. All right, so once you start to invite people in, say 10 is average, right? But that's nothing. I already have 48 people in. All right, and then let's lowball it here too. Say 5,000 influencer points. And if someone decides to upgrade to Pro, let's put 1. All right, and that's $26, right, per month. But the other people that you refer in start to refer other people, and that, say the average is, we'll just go average, we'll go 5. All right, now you see how that adds up per month. All right, that's not doing much. That's what you do daily on Facebook by just posting, engaging, liking, and sharing content. All right, now this has the opportunity to explode, and we just downloaded the app. So if you are interested, go ahead and click on the link below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.